news for Peter Obi as Tinubu's APC lawyers lose in court. See when he will be leaving Aso Rock. Hey, my people. At last, they lost in court. They thought that because it is Lagos, so and because Tinubu is the one in power, so they will use that very opportunity to win the case. That is why they were lamenting that they want Tinubu to be inaugurated first. Despite the inauguration, what happened? This was made possible by those evidences that Peter Obi went to dig out. And the court itself doesn't want to be biased because they are afraid of what the world is going to do. You understand? Because this Peter Obi's case is now a case of the whole world and not just a case of the federal government of Nigeria. Everybody is following it up. So if there is any false allegation, false information, deceit or emergency, it will always fall back on them. You understand? So I really want to congratulate the Igbos, most especially because they are the ones that this victory actually concern. So based on that very fact, my dear listeners, let's quickly check on the contents, my dear listeners. This is Morning News. The Presidential Election Petition Corps (PEPTC) dealt a blow to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the All Progressive Congress (APC) as they attempt to halt the petition filed by the Allied People's Movement (APM) challenging Tinubu's qualification for the February 25th, 2023 presidential election was rejected on Monday. The move, led by Tinubu's lead counsel chief Wole Olanipekun, aimed to utilize a Supreme Court judgment from May 26, 2023 to dismiss the APM's petition. However, the request was turned down by the PEPC. Tinubu argued that the Supreme Court had already resolved the main issue raised in the APM's petition in a separate case brought by the People's Democratic Party (PDP). He sought to invoke the spirit and content of the Supreme Court's judgment to prevent the APM's petition from proceeding. Nonetheless, the presiding justice of the court, Justice Haruna Simon Tisamani, disagreed with Tinubu's arguments and emphasized the importance of fair hearing, stating that the party should not be denied the opportunity to present its case. Justice Tisamani advised Tinubu to reserve his objections regarding the hearing of the petitions for the final address stage of the court. The APC also raised similar objections through his counsel Charles Edosonwe San, but their arguments were also dismissed by the PEPC on the grounds of fair hearing. So, my dear listeners, based on these very facts,